So listen, I tell every athlete that I meet, your most important asset is your health. Over finance, over property, over anything that you have is your health. It's the one thing that will take you anywhere you want to go. It's the one thing that'll stop you from reaching the mountaintop. But all too often, I see athletes who don't get the care they need and don't understand the process. And we know healthcare can be confusing. So that's why we're here today. We're here to level the playing field. I'm Dr. Owusu-Akyaw. I'm a board-certified orthopedic sports surgeon, and I'm here to shine light in the darkness that can be the healthcare field. I want you all to understand the different components that go into keeping someone healthy, bringing someone back from injury, and what that path looks like. On this channel, we're gonna look at different things I need you to understand about sports health. It's important that you understand the basics so that when you go into a doctor's office, heaven forbid you need an injury treated or taken care of, you're an equal part of the process. And you can be on a level playing field when you're talking to a healthcare provider like myself. So we're gonna provide the details, the ammo that you need to be in that position. We're gonna look at what an x-ray looks like. What is an MRI and why is it done? Why do people even injure themselves? Why are ACLs torn? And why does it take so long to come back from an ACL? Why do people need surgery? When is surgery needed and when is it not needed? What are the factors that lead from one athlete coming back after an injury and another one not quite making it back? These are all the things that you need to know so that you understand how your personal journey may be affected by things that happen to you. But above all else, we want to talk about how to prevent injury, because the least amount of injury you could have, the better you're going to perform, the better off you'll be long term, the better off you'll be to reach your goals. We're going to bring in some of my connects in sports health to talk to you about their journeys, to talk to you about their expertise. We're going to bring in former athletes to talk about their journeys with health and injuries and recovering from injuries. We're going to make sure that you are powered or fueled with all the information you need, provided with the ammo to be on top of your health moving forward, because understand this, it is your number one asset. Ultimately, your health is your responsibility. It's in your hands. Doctors like me are just consultants. We're here to help you get to where you need to get to. And we want to see to it that you get there safely. So if you follow us, stay with us, we're going to go through all the basics related to sports medicine. We'll go through different injury types, what coming back from injury looks like. We'll review your common questions, and we'll take a look at how we can make it a level playing field by spreading knowledge, because we know that knowledge is power. So please like and subscribe to get more important, fundamental information about sports medicine and see to it that you play on a level playing field moving forward.